Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a LoRA with FluxGym. LoRA, low rank adaptation, lets you fine-tune AI models faster and with less data, while FluxGym streamlines the setup and training process. I'm running everything through Pinocchio, which I like to think of as a manager for AI image software. Similar to how Steam manages games, Pinocchio brings all your AI tools together, making it super easy to launch apps like FluxGym. First, let's check out the Pinocchio UI. Now I'll launch FluxGym directly from Pinocchio. Next, I've downloaded several images of Einstein from Google. I only have a few images here, but ideally, you'd want around 30 images of the subject for optimal results. I simply drag and drop these images into FluxGym, and then I click on Add AI Captions to automatically generate descriptive captions that guide the training process. Once that's set up, you'll notice there's also a section with advanced options. This is where you can experiment with various settings. I make a few tweaks myself. I've even added information on what settings I use on my Patreon, and you'll find the link in the description. With the AI captions added and advanced options configured, I adjust the training parameters for our LoRA and start the session to see how well the model adapts. Now that the training is complete, FluxGym has created some safe tensor files. What I'll do next is copy these files and paste them into the LoRA folder in ComfyUI. Once that's done, I'll launch ComfyUI to show you how to apply our new LoRA model and generate some images. With ComfyUI open, I'll select our new LoRA model from the LoRA folder and start generating images. This step lets you see firsthand how the trained model adapts to creating realistic art based on Einstein's images. Let's write the prompt and hit run. A hyper-realistic portrait of Albert Einstein with his iconic wild hair, intense eyes, and thoughtful expression, set in a modern science lab with cinematic lighting. There is no mistake. This is Albert Einstein. Now that we've seen how well the Einstein model captures its subject, let's switch things up. I'll now demonstrate a LoRA I created using images of my wife. I select her custom model from the LoRA folder in ComfyUI, and then I enter the prompt, a blonde hair woman. She wears a Supergirl bodysuit with a red cape. She is flying over a city with buildings at sunset. Once I hit run, you'll see how the model interprets this creative scenario, blending the distinctive features from her images with the imaginative prompt. It's fascinating to see how the AI adapts to different subjects and themes. And that's a wrap on today's tutorial. We kicked things off by training a LoRA using Einstein's images and saw how FluxGym and ComfyUI work together to generate a hyper-realistic portrait. Then, we switched gears and tested a custom LoRA I created from images of my wife. Watch how the AI transforms the prompt into a dynamic image of a blonde woman in a Supergirl bodysuit soaring over a sunset cityscape. For more details on the settings I use and even some advanced options, be sure to check out my Patreon. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. See you next time.